Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about Bitcoin. So let's get started. This is the chart I made in June 2024, and you can see that this is the Elliott wave count. We have one, two, three, then a B, and I said we're going to be dropping for wave four. So this is where the game started. Uh, and then you can see here the next chart I made it on July, the next month, when the price dropped exactly where I was expecting and ending with four there, I thought at the time. So after that, this was the place, then it went up, then came down, right? Oh, sorry, this one was that, right? So it went up, but then it came down one more time. So from here, I made the chart that it's going to go up all the way there, with five, and it was the area was, you can see here, mentioning it's between 85 to 90, right? So that was the area, the target for wave five. So what happened? It just started to go up, and this is a little bit more expanded candle. Actually, it's a daily chart, by the way, and this was a daily as well, but it's compact chart, right? It shrink the candle. Now this one daily chart, you can see that how nicely it started to go to the upside, and then I made this chart when you went up above this channel line, hit this high here, high of wave three, came down, and then you can see my buy order was there, and we were bouncing from 66,857, and the target was again to the upside, right? So, and after that, and it started to go nicely to the upside. So let me show you, and I think I have another. This is the version that on the daily chart. Again, compact, shrink the candles a little bit, but the same chart. We have one, two, three, we see four, and five. So my first target was 127. The second is all the way here, 161, which is around 89, right? And so far, let's see. This is what happened. The weekly chart, it was it hit here is 80. You can see, right? And the target was still like this one. We hit around 127 area right there. And then I said, well, either we're going to drop from here, or again, like in the previous chart, that maybe it will go up to 161 area here for 89 or 90. So what happened? This happened. Not this happened. This is a gold chart, by the way. So weekly chart. Now this is where it ended up last week. 3, 4, we have 5, maybe not. But we already hit this one. Instead of 161, it went up a little bit more to 178, around 93, and then it started to pull back, right? And on a 4-hour chart, you can see that this is how it looks like. It is like losing momentum and maybe ready to drop, in my opinion. Why? Because if I show you this chart here, this one, right? Got this wave one, A, B, C, two, then big wave to the upside, three, then A, B, C correction, wave four, a big correction, and then after that, it went up all the way to this level for wave five. Now, this same thing is happening here in gold, but on a monthly chart. Look at this, same chart, almost same chart, right? Identical. This is a Bitcoin weekly, this is gold monthly. Here you can also count wave one, A, B, C, two, wave three, A, B, C, sideways, big correction, wave four, and then for wave five, we are still going, but from wave three high, it is dropping. It started to drop. I predicted that it's going to drop, and it started to drop. For wave four, it's going to drop more a little bit. If maybe first you go up a little bit and then drop around 38% of this wave three, right? 38 to maybe 50%. So since it is dropping, and the chart is the same, but what what I have noticed in my study, that Bitcoin is following gold exactly, but couple of weeks behind. So this gold chart is a very, very good indicator of this Bitcoin for now. I don't know why, but that's what's exactly happening. You can see yourself. This is again Bitcoin weekly chart. Wave 1, A, B, C, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the gold chart. Same 1, A, B, C, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Yeah, here I think the wave 5 is still underway. This is wave 1, wave 2, this is wave 3, and we're gonna be posting wave 4 to the downside and then go up again one more time for wave 5. So I think the Bitcoin is gonna do the same. That is gonna drop following gold, and then we'll go up again for another shot to the upside. Okay, so this is it for now, and just wanted to share with you guys that this is what's happening. This is the level. There is no SNR level. This is all-time high, so we are on our own. This is a 4-hour chart. This is my analysis chart, and this is my entry chart if you wanted to make the short entry. So nothing is clear right now, but I think that we're going to be dropping, and I will be ready for that. If it's going to drop, it's going to follow the gold, and gold is right now dropping, right? So this is it for now, and any updates, I will make another video, right? So don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time, and bye for now, and have a wonderful weekend.